is hearing it and it's live, you know, so we can't go back and edit it and fix it and stuff. So what we say is what we say, you know. So I did not mean to say I didn't say I hate all Jamaican food. I just said I don't like Jamaican food. And when I said I didn't like Jamaican food, maybe I should have said at the result that we stayed in. That's what I maybe should have said. But me getting to talking and we talking about different things and this, and I'm looking at comments, trying to read my lovely people that's following me, that's saying all this nice stuff to me, and I'm trying to read their comment and try to talk at the same time. Then it got a little twisted and I just didn't say what I supposed to have said. But I'm clearing the thing up is that I didn't mean to say I don't like none of Jamaica's food. No, I did not. I didn't get a chance to taste Jamaican food, but I did get a chance to taste that food at the result, and it wasn't good. So just because I said that it was not Jamaican food at the result was not good, that doesn't mean that all Jamaican food is nasty. So that's just that. But anyway, we're going to talk about these seasoning and stuff that we got. We're going to see what y'all think about these seasoning. Are they nasty? Or I even have some stuff where people were doing nice videos and stuff about me, and I really appreciate it. I love that.